He's feeling playful. He's going to attack you.
I know a baby kitty who's excited for a hand. A kitty hand. A kitty in a basket once is rocking in a cradle. A kitty cradle. A baby kitty cuddle.
He's trying to get you to play.
Oh, you want to play? You want to play? You want to play? I want to play. Rub the kitty head. How do you play with Big Cat?
Poke your finger in the holes.
You're fine. I wonder if he reacts to spoons. Yep, he does.
He kills them.
Spoon gauntlet. This is fun. Why didn't they think of this kind of toy? You can pet him and play with him. It's brilliant. He's trying to fit it with his teeth now. Do you think Tiny is healthy?
I think he's a little bit fat.
Time for another extra challenge. You're gonna use roll ties.
They told me I was a member of the family and I fell for it. But they're just like all the others.
He's still playing.
Originally I was just going outside to chill, but a car drove by and I chased it. Now I have no idea where I am.
Are you giving up on playing with Kitty?
No. Oh, they're so damn cute. Get the spoons. Get the spoons. Get the spoons.
You know, this is all your fault. You said you were going to tell Dad.
You said he was a stupid dog.
I only said that because you were trying to manipulate me. I've lived in this house for a year now, and you've done nothing to act like a brother to me.
Experimentation.
The one thing that I hear about most.
Is that from the cat?
Okay, no.
No.
Cry.
Hi, Fetty.
Tell Dad and he can drive us along and then...
Anyhow.